Okay, Svein, I put together a little box for you that will help you, well, that will allow you to do this, and I've emailed it to you. Um, uh, and so now I'm just going to show you how to use it. So we'll come over to another set using Thesis Classic Responsive, and we'll come over to Boxes and Manage Boxes. And then we're going to upload a new box, and all you have to do is choose the place you saved it, from your email. And I'm going to grab it's the BYOB page specific scripts .zip. Add the box. Then once it's been uploaded, put a little check by it and hit Save Boxes. And once you've done that, over here under the Site menu, there will be a new menu item called Global Scripts. And what this box will do is, one of the things it does is it allows you to put any script that you want at the head of every poster page. So that's inside the head tag. This is at the top of the opening body tag. So it's just inside the body tag, but up at the top. And this is just before the closing body tag. So you can put scripts in any one of these three places, and it'll show up in every. It will show up in every single poster page. Now, I'm just going to show you one other thing, though. This also does the same thing for scripts on a page-by-page basis. So you can come over here and say, put the script you want in there, and then you can decide whether or not you want the head, the top of the body, or the bottom of the body. So it also adds this for every page, but that's not what you're doing in this case. You are sticking with the global setting rather than the page by page setting. Okay, so then we're going to take your code. Now, unfortunately, your code's got a bunch of little they're called smart quotes. And smart quotes will break this script. So we're going to come in here and copy that. And we're going to need to fix that first. I'm going to paste all that in here. And you can see how, they've got the little swoop to them. Well, that means that, that will break the script. And those are inserted by things like Word and other types of word processors. So I'm just going to here in Notebook do a search and replace. I'm going to search for that. Whoops. No. Cancel. I'm going to copy this first. Then I'm going to do a search and replace. Then I'm going to paste that one in, and I want to substitute it for just straight quotes. So we're going to replace all. Okay. Interestingly, I didn't replace all. So we're just going to have to go through here and see if we can find some more. I'm going to copy that one, put it there, and replace all. Okay. So my double quotes look like they've been taken care of, but I have these single quotes that I also need to change out. I'm going to replace it with a single quote and replace all. And does that get all of my code okay? Looks like it. Okay, so now that I've cleaned up my code, I can copy it, come back over here to that setting, and this is the part we want to put in the head. So I put that up at the top. Right, so if you want to see the whole thing, you can just scroll down like that, and you can see everything here. Okay. Now we need to do the same thing that you want to do at the closing body tag of every page. So come back over to your code. And I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come over to my notepad and I'm going to fix this. I don't know if we've got any single quotes or not here, so I'm just going to hit replace all. Okay, so then we're going to take that double quote and we're going to replace it with typical straight double quotes. No, we'll replace all. Okay, so there. This one needs to be done. Replace all. Okay, perfect. So we'll just copy that script now. That's been cleaned up. Come back over here and put that in the bottom. Then we can save this. And now I'm just going to reload this page here. This is that same Thesis Classic responsive. Oh, and you can't see it because it's down here in this corner, right? I'll just log out. Okay, but there it is down here in this corner. Now, obviously, the credentials thing is wrong because this is not your site, right? And this code was designed for your site, not mine. But nevertheless, you can see that it comes down here at the bottom where they want it. Okay, hopefully that helps.